Hi there. When you create a new Grist document, or add an empty table to it, the new table will have 3 columns, named A, B, and C. To rename a column, click the column header once to select it, and then again to rename. Or open the column drop-down menu and select Rename Column. To add a column, click on the plus symbol in the header row, then type in the column name. Column names are also used in formulas. When you hit the equal sign to start entering a formula, each column's header changes to show its Python-friendly identifier. Grist columns have types, such as text, numeric, date, and more. You can open settings for a specific column by clicking the column menu and choosing column options. A newly added column starts out as type any. Grist uses the first value you enter into it to set its type to either text or numeric, which are the most commonly needed types. Enforcing the same type for all cells in a column reduces the risk of mistakes. If you enter a value that's incompatible with the column's type, the cell will be highlighted with an error. Types also let you control the appearance and formatting of values. The numeric type lets you set the precision for numbers. The date type lets you set the date format and use a date picker. The toggle type can show true-false values as checkboxes or switches. The choice type lets you configure choices for a drop-down widget. The attachment type lets you insert entire files or images into cells. The reference type is key to linking data across tables and is explained in a separate video. Thanks for watching.